Today we're going to be making the most popular cocktail
in all of the lands.
No. At Hyde in the American Airlines Arena.
Oh, okay.
The premium tequila that we use in this margarita is Don Julio Silver, and we're going to be adding 2 ounces. The next ingredient we're going to be adding is 1 ounce of lime juice. At Hyde Arena, we make all our juices fresh. We're going to be adding 1 ounce of cucumber and 2 ounces of fresh watermelon juice. We're gonna sweeten this cocktail up with a 1/2 ounce of agave. We pierce a cucumber with a mint sprig for our garnish, and then we top that off with a little bit of powdered sugar.
When the heat season returns, make sure you come try our cucumber watermelon margarita at Hyde in the American Airlines Arena.